In this video, we're gonna check if it is possible to install GCam on the Samsung Galaxy A37. In order to check that, we can go to the Play Store. Then over here, we can use the search option and we can search for an app that is called GCam. There we go. And with this app, we should be able to check the compatibility. And if the phone is compatible to get GCam, we should be able to try to get the dedicated version of the GCam for this phone. Or we can try to use alternatives that are made for other smartphones, similar smartphones. And let's give it a try. We don't have to agree to send notifications. There we go. And then we can check the compatibility. And unfortunately, it seems that it is not possible to actually get GCam on Samsung Galaxy A37. So that's of course bad news for those who like to use GCam instead of standard cameras. But unfortunately, yeah, as you can see, it is not possible to get GCam on this phone. Leave a like and subscribe.